In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under petroleum and the Nigerian economy. So guys, this will be an introductory video and we have about 18 to 20 repeated questions to practice with the video. Let's get started. The first question here says, the release of a liquid petroleum hydrocarbon into the environment is oil spill, oil wastage, oil glut, oil shock. So right answer is option A, which is oil spill. Very important. Next question is this one. It says one benefit a country can derive from the extraction of crude oil is increase in raw supply, employment, demand for imports, population. The right answer is option B. It will be increase in employment. Alright, next question is this one. It says because most of our crude oil is exported, the foreign exchange earnings and the forward linkage effects Nigeria realized from her oil production are both low, respectively low and high, both high, respectively high and low. Right answer is option D, respectively high and low. Okay, next question is this one. It says the following are positive contributions of petroleum to the Nigerian economy except foreign exchange earning, employment generation, infrastructure development, development of more economy. The right answer is option D. This is an exception. Development of more economy. Okay, next question is this one. It says the crucial factors which determine the location of petroleum refineries in Nigeria are availability of raw materials and reliable political consideration, nearness to source of power capital. So the right answer is option C, raw materials and nearness to source of power. Okay, next question is this one. It says government participation in the oil industry was necessitated by the high demand for crude oil, high investment outlay, annual increase in production, formation of OPEC. So guys, the right answer is that government participation in the oil industry was necessitated by the high investment outlay. Option B. Next question is this one. It says the major role of multinational companies in the Nigerian petroleum industry is oil prospecting only, oil marketing oil only, establishment of refineries, oil marketing and prospecting. Right answer is option D, oil marketing and prospecting. Okay, next question is this one. It says the Nigerian economy is monocultural because government revenue is derived mainly from crude oil. Option C. Okay, next question is this one. It says the petroleum industry in Nigeria is the mainstay of the economy, a factor in the decline in the nation's foreign reserves, the only source of the nation's revenue, the oldest industry in the economy. The right answer is option A. The petroleum industry in Nigeria is the mainstay of the economy. Next question is this one. It says the deregulation of the Nigerian petroleum sector in Nigeria will bring about an end to foreign firms' dominance, an end to the importation of fuel, fixing appropriate production quotas, efficiency in pricing and distribution of the product. The right answer is option D, efficiency in pricing and distribution of the products. Next question is this one. It says the main source of government revenue in Nigeria is rents and royalties, capital gain tax, import duties, company income tax. The right answer is option D, company income tax. Okay, next question is this one. So guys, before I attempt this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Really appreciate it. So this question says the greatest revenue any industry in Nigeria is manufacturing, mining, agriculture, construction. So the right answer is option B, mining. Okay, next question is this one. It says the major contribution of the petroleum industry to the Nigerian economy is the promotion of industrial harmony, provision of employment opportunities, generation of revenue for the oil company, generation of revenue for government. So the right answer is option D, generation of revenue for the government. Next question is this one. It says upstream oil activities involve the remarketing of finished products, management of pollution, exploration of crude oil, refining of crude oil. Right answer is option C, exploration of crude oil. Okay, next question is this one. It says activities in the oil and gas industry are classified into upstream and downstream, exploration and drilling, refining and marketing of finished products, oil exploration and distribution. The right answer is option A, which is upstream and downstream. Very important. Next question is this one. It says The major role of multinational companies in the petroleum industry in Nigeria is oil prospecting only, oil marketing. I think I've already answered this question. Is option C the right answer here? Oil marketing and prospecting, very important. This question is this one. It says the term oil shock is used to describe a situation in which the demand for oil is equal to its supply. Demand for oil exceeds its supply. Oil prices have fallen drastically. The supply of oil exceeds its demand. So right answer is option B, which is the demand for oil exceeds its supply. Next question is this one. It says which of the following sectors is the most capital intensive? So it's petroleum. Option D. Next question is this one. It says the oil boom between 1970 and 1980 caused the oil sector to become the main source of government revenue. Protection to local operators in the petroleum industry, decrease in the rate of inflation, management of spillage and pollution. The right answer is option A. So it's the oil sector. It caused the oil sector to become the main source of government revenue. Last question for end this video is this one. It says one of the negative effects of petroleum on the Nigerian economy is we have source of government revenue, source of employment, provision of raw materials, over reliance of oil. So guys, the negative effect is over reliance of on oil. Okay, so guys, this is basically how you can do problems involving petroleum and the Nigerian economy. This is an introductory video to it. I will practice with 18 to 20 video questions under it. Hope you learned something from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel once more, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned in the video. If you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to be question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the team membership by clicking on the JAMB button. You'll be getting premium information and help with yourself in exams like JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen below and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.